woke up with my chest still heavy. Same old doubt on the floor. Coffee getting cold on the counter, staring at the door. All the little lies I trusted echoed in my head. Then your kindness cut right through them, pull me out of bed. Your love, it floods my heart, rushing in, tearing my fears apart. When I fall, you hold these shaking hands. I'm safe where I stand. Your love, it sings my name over shame, over every flame. I was lost, now I'm where you are. Your love, it floods my heart. Oh, yeah. You don't hide from all my shadows. You walk straight into my mess, writing hope across my failures, breathing peace into my chest. Every time I think I've reached it, you go deeper still. This is more than I imagined, more than I could will. Your love, it floods my heart, rushing